cut, mist, grow. Find a good spot to keep an eye on your grow kit, a kitchen counter or bathroom that has some light and stays between 55 and 80 degrees. Step 1, cut a 4-inch X in the bag. Step 2, turn the label upside down and push the air out of the bag. Step 3, mist with water 1 to 2 times per day for 8 days. On day 6, you should see baby mushrooms or primordia, but keep misting. On the 7th day, you're almost there, but keep misting. And on the 8th day, you're ready to harvest. Just twist and pull. You can keep the mushrooms in a fridge for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy! Find more mushrooms at henosismushrooms.com.